Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tiffany Ogumike. I'm a social media manager. I help businesses leverage social media to grow their business and to make more sales. And I also talk about how to start a career in social media management or how to gain a new skill in any industry, including the tech industry. If this is what you're looking to actually learn about, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can always get valuable information from my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 5 game-changing tools every content creator must have. And the first one I want you to know is Google Trends. Google Trends is actually a very nice tool for every content creator. And when I'm talking about content creator, as a business owner, you're a content creator. As a social media manager, you're a content creator. Even if you're in any other industry, you can also be a content creator. So Google Trends actually is very helpful in the sense that it helps you to find out what people are searching for in any location in the world. Let's say, for an instance, now you're in Nigeria and you're a business owner who deals on crop top, who wants to sell crop top and is looking to target your audience, but you don't really know where they are. You can actually use Google Trends to search for crop tops, and Google Trends can let you know where people are asking for crop tops. If you just type crop tops on Google Trends can now show you that how many percentage, probably 72% is searching for crop tops in Lagos, 62 is searching for crop tops in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, and this will actually help you to know the particular location you can focus your marketing on. So this is how helpful Google Trends is. It lets you know what people are literally looking for, and it's actually a website that is being owned by Google. Number 2 is Canva. Canva is actually a graphic design platform, and it's really amazing because when you're creating content, you actually need something that will make it look more attractive, and Canva is your go-to tool for doing that, right? So on Canva you can actually get to see free templates. It's not like you have to already have this technical skill of being a designer already. Just go to Canva and you can see free templates for anything you want to literally design, and all you just have to do is to add the color and add the text and then type whatever you wanted to put in that design. And then I usually say this, Canva is really amazing in the sense that you can also use Canva and design a logo for your business. If you don't have a logo, if you're looking for let's say a flyer or whatever, you can use Canva to create all of those things. Or even a business card, Canva is really very helpful when it comes to creating content. Number 3 is Grammarly. Grammarly is a fantastic tool for every content creator. Have you noticed that on social media now, people actually type and say a lot of things without even making grammatical errors? It's not like they are genius, it's not like they don't make mistakes. It's because of some vital tools like Grammarly. Grammarly is going to help you, whenever you are typing, Grammarly is going to correct you, remove the wrong words, replace it with the right ones. So as a content creator, you literally don't want people to laugh at you and laugh at whatever you are saying. So you need a Grammarly tool so that you can be corrected before you even make any post on social media. So guys, the 4th tool that you really need as a content creator is Answer the Public. Answer the Public is an amazing tool. Okay, let's say you're looking to generate a content idea, or you're looking for a title for your content. Answer the Public will actually give you content ideas and also give you titles, because on Answer the Public you find what people are literally searching for, and you can be able to offer them those answers to those questions by creating a content around it. That's why I love Answer the Public, because anytime I run out of a content idea, I always go to Answer the Public to find out what people are literally looking for, so I can create a content around it, and I know that would be also helpful to you. So guys, the final tool that will be very helpful to you as a content creator is Cubebots. It's an amazing tool that can actually help you to scan for any grammar error, and it can also help you to paraphrase any message whether it's a letter, a message, a content. You can always paraphrase whatever it is that you want to paraphrase, and then it will always like look out for punctuation, wrong grammars and everything, and filter everything filterable. So it's really amazing. Let's say you just saw a content online but you don't really want it to be like you copy that person. You can use Cupid to actually like paraphrase it, and it will come out in a different way but like saying something really amazing. So I know that these tools are really amazing, so guys, go check them out and let me know how that worked out for you in my comments. So leave me a review down below, and I'm really glad we have finally come to an end of this video. So that I hope you really found value, and please do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can always get new videos coming from me, valuable videos just like always. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.